Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining my first day trading of the new year. I traded BURG and I made $310. What was nice about this was I traded only for 4 minutes. So 9:31 I got in at 4:51, and then I sold half really at 9:32, and then I sold the other half at 9:35. But anyways, let's break this down. So 4 minutes, $310. Can't complain about that. Anyways, so I have scanners on my laptop, which is I have a certain criteria to look for certain stocks. That usually can do these moves this quick. I just don't go on CNBC and look at a stock and randomly try to trade it. It's all about you always have to have a strategy going into a trade to get out of a trade and keep your emotions intact. But anyway, so I get in. All right, I'm gonna put this right here. I get in this trade at 9:31 in the morning. Right here. So I'd get in on this candle. This is a 1 minute chart, so each candle represents a minute and what the stock does within that minute. And over here is a 5 minute chart. So this is what it did in 5 minutes, the 10th minute, and then 15, so on. Anyways, I get on the second candle for the break of you see like there's little resistance right here. It'll come up here and then it fell off. Came up here this time, broke through, pulled back a little bit, and then you start seeing volume come in real strong at the break of 450. Got in at 451, 1,000 shares. Sold some at 470, right? Yeah, I actually put in an order for 468 and I got filled at 470, so I was being generous, got 2 cents more at 9:32. Yeah, so this next minute sold half my shares already at 470, and then boom, I still have 500 shares, remind you, and this thing dropped straight back down, but it did find some support at these lines, at these moving averages, and so I kept holding, and then it started popped straight up. This is at 9:35. 9:35 popped straight up. This is 9:34 right here. 9:35 hits a high of 515 or 514, but I didn't sell at the high. It's rare you sell at the actual high of the day. And I actually sold. I put in an order again at 489 and got filled at 494. You put the order on the ask and it fills it as long as there's momentum there. And it filled at 494. This is at 9:35. So I'm literally up $300, $310 after commissions at 5 minutes into the day, And then as you can see, it starts getting some red candles in here, a lot of selling. So a lot of people did what I just did, probably with more share size or maybe even less. So a lot of people just did what I did, and then it starts selling off. After everyone booked their profits, you can start to see a sell-off here. And this is usually what happens on a lot of stocks every day. You'll start seeing a trend pop up, and then sell off, and then you'll see a consolidation, and maybe from 3 to 4 o'clock the momentum will start picking up, volume will start coming in, and you'll see another pop. But I don't really mess with that. I stay with the morning, and that's it. So the actual what I use is for my charts and my level 2 and price and action, all this other crap. I use Thinkorswim. This is TD Ameritrade's charts. And I really like this because I don't know. I know how to use it. I know how to set everything up. A lot of people like to use E-Trade too. I know a couple people use Scottrade, and that's fine. Whatever you're comfortable with is what you should use. I'm comfortable with TD Ameritrade, so I'm using this for my charts. SureTrader for my actual trade execution. And what I do is I'll have like 3 stocks in the morning that I'm looking at, and I'll put BURG 1,000 shares, and then I'll put a price of like I said, when I bought it at 450. When I bought it at 450, I went all the way up to 451. And as soon as this, they'll start seeing these things move. It's called a level 2. This tells you price action, amount of bid, and then the amount on the ask. And as soon as it broke 450, and as soon as it broke 450, I pressed enter, and then boom, I'm in 1,000 shares, and then I'm in. I bought different blocks, but it pretty much all at the same time. 9:31, 27 seconds, 26 seconds, but they all bought at the same time. 51, and then boom, I try to sell, and then and the same thing when I'm wanting to sell. I look at a price. I have a strategy going in. I have a target. I'll sell at when I'm up 20 cents, that percentage, and then I'll sell half, and then I'll ride the wave the rest of the way. And that's what I did pretty well here. Sold half when I was up 19 cents, I guess. In that range, whenever you feel like you want to book some profits. Don't get greedy. This is a marathon. You can't get rich off one trade. You can, but it's some luck there, and you have a lot of risk tolerance there. If you want to say you buy at $5 and hope this thing to go to $10, some stocks do that. Some stocks do go crazy, parabolic, but the swings in those type of stock or in those type of trades are really, really big. So I get nice and easy $300. I'm gonna start recording I'm gonna record my trades as well. See, look, here's my emblem, my logo, by the way. Tell me what you guys think about that. I kind of like it. I don't know. I don't like the crown. It's kind of like, you can tell it's kind of fake, but anyway. Stock symbol BURG. The day, the amount of money I made. If I lose money, it'll be negative $300. Let's say. And description. Why I bought where I bought. It's pretty much telling you guys what I'm telling you guys now. And yeah. So that was today's trades. I wanted to trade LT as well, but I kind of looked at this too late. It got halted, a circuit breaker halted, and a halter is what a company stops trading when it goes up so fast or even down so fast. They stop trading. And this gets at $7 and it halts. So you can't buy or sell anymore because it's paused pretty much. And then the company will answer questions on why it's going up so high so quickly, or why it's going down so quickly. And then it'll get unhalted and resume at a higher price, or maybe the same price sometimes, lower price, depends. And this one actually hit 765. And again, this is a 1 minute chart, so every single candle represents 1 minute, price action in 1 minute. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to get in, so I didn't look at this until it was halted. I wanted to get in at, hey, there's Zach. I want to get in at the break of $7 again. It broke $7 because it pulled back all the way down to 660. And then I wanted to get in, see if I had momentum in it still, break of $7. It did. Broke $7, probably pulled back a little bit, 20 cents, and then boom, all the way to 765. That's the high day. And this is a minute, and this probably fell within 30 seconds right here. This one candle went from 765 to 642. So it doesn't always go straight up. You can imagine buying at 720. You know what I mean? And all you're happy because it's at 765, and it falls instantly. It's almost instantly to 642. That's almost $1 per share you're down in a matter of seconds. So yeah, there's risk there. Like I said, you just gotta find your way to manage that. And then look, you can see it pops up like the BURG. It pops up and then falls and consolidates. You'll see a trend. What I trade, the type of stocks I trade, you see it pop up, fall over, and then consolidate. This one's trying to break this VWAP right here. See if it might break that VWAP, make a little run to 630, 640. But yeah, anyways, if you guys want help, because you can actually practice trading too. You don't need to use real money. You can do what I do with fake money. You want to treat it like it's your real money so you can become better and better and better. It's a lot of emotions. You got to be able to cut your losses. Don't have an ego. And don't be greedy. Take the money when it's there. And run with it. Really, it's a new game every single day. Every single day is a new day. So after today, won $300, get $300, and tomorrow's a new day. You can lose that amount just as quickly as you made it. But if you guys need help with any of this stuff, setting up, if you guys want to start doing what I'm doing, even just practicing a little bit, I can actually send you my charts, so you don't have to set it all up yourself. You'll have all this already. And then we can FaceTime or whatever you want to do. And then I can actually, kind of teach you, explain to you what I'm doing, what these mean, what these lines mean, the candles, what this means. This probably looks confusing. Man, trust me, when I first started doing this, it was like straight Chinese. But anyways, yeah, I can teach you, or I can show you guys how to set it up, help you guys out if you guys want to start learning. And yeah, that'll be it for today. I only made that one trade on BURG. Some days I'll make no trades, some days I'll make a little bit more trades. But usually I like to trade good setups, and don't really like I like A's, B's setups. C setups are at sometimes if you're feeling a little riskier. But usually if it's not a good setup, there's no really reason to hop in it. That's just your greed taking over. So alright, $310 in 4 minutes. Can't complain. Please like, subscribe, give me some feedback. Please give me feedback so I can improve as a YouTuber as well as I'm improving as a trader. And hopefully we'll keep this on. We're on the road to becoming a professional trader. You're seeing it live every single day. I'm going to show you guys that I will be a professional trader. Hopefully I think by the end of 2018, or maybe even 6 months in. Who knows? You know, if I keep having $300 days, I'll make 78 grand this year. Just to have a $300 day. 4 minutes. If I make more, obviously more or less, and whatnot. But the goal is stay positive, and then when the market is hot, you got to ride that hotness, because sometimes the market gets cold and gets kind of choppy, and you start losing money. So you cut your risk in half usually in that time in market. But yeah, I bought this for this type of trade too.
That was easy.
These type of trades, and I press that.
That was easy.
I need a bad one too, so when I have bad trades, that wasn't easy, or some shit like that. But anyways, please like, subscribe, share. My first 50 subscribers, by the way, you can enter for a chance to win a $20 gift card for wherever you want. You can choose, and we're already at 30. I'm pretty sure, 35 or something like that. So refer a friend or something, and let me know. So we'll give you 2 entries or something like that. But yeah, I should've. This might break this VWAP right here and run a little bit. Anyways, yeah, subscribe. First one to 50, you enter in a chance. And then screenshot it too when you do subscribe, so I know you ain't BSing me and you actually did subscribe. And then I'm gonna put your names all in a hat or whatever, shake it up. I'll do it on a video, YouTube video, and then shake it up, pick a name out of that hat, and boom, $20. I'll message you for some details. That's about it. So please subscribe, like, give me some feedback, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Later.